All right, what's going on, everybody? It's been a long time since I've made a video, and actually I'm making this one on my cell phone because I can't find my battery charger to my camera. But kind of just wanted to update you guys on what's going on, and if I sound tired, if I sound a little bit down, it's because I am. I've been working a lot. Last week I actually had to switch to a third shift schedule for the week to help my full-time employer, and then I still work a lot here at the farm. So I'm kind of burnt out at this moment. So, and also really stressed out. So the reason why I'm making this video is because updating you on what could be some pretty difficult decisions I may have to make in the near future. So after sitting down and going over the bills and going over the finances, I've realized that unless something drastic happens in the next 4 to 6 weeks, there's a good chance that I'm probably gonna have to shut down Valor Aquaponics. And it's for a multitude of finance reasons. First is the fact that I do work a full-time job on top of being at the farm full-time, so that doesn't allow me as much time as I would like. Basically trying to generate additional revenue, going to see other businesses, potential customers, things like that. Because majority of my time is spent either at 2 different farmers markets on the weekends, where I sell directly to customers, or I'm here at the farm taking care of the fish, and I'm planting and I'm packaging and things like that. So there's not a lot of time. So our sales have gone up a little bit, but they haven't gone to the point of where I'm basically like net neutral, where I'm breaking even every month. And then add into the other weird thing, and I'm not trying to get political here, but for some reason, I can no longer get any government assistance through the Small Business Administration. And once again, I'm not trying to be political, but under the previous administration, presidential administration, I was able to get Small Business Administration loans for disaster assistance. With the new presidential administration, I'm no longer eligible for any of those assistance. I recently received a notice from the Small Business Administration, the SBA, that I was eligible to reapply for the second round of the EIDL loan, which is a disaster loan. So I filled it out, and I got rejected because it says that I'm not in a low income area of the country. Now, if you go on the SBA's website and you look up their map, I would say about 98% of the country does not fall under a low poverty area, according to the SBA's, which means that the majority of people will not be able to get these disaster loans. So there are probably thousands of people like me who own a small business that have been drastically affected with delays. I know specifically with us, when we first started, we were delayed on our business permit to build our system here and to operate. And then we got delayed with our organic permit because of scheduling issues because of COVID restrictions. And then, which then caused us to delay planting, which caused us to, so we actually delayed selling vegetables about 4 months, easily 4 months. So, and then by that time, everything cost double and triple. I mean, we have a lot of wood in our facility, and according to my original projections that I made back in December and January, so December 2019 and January 2020, our prices actually went up 2, 3, 4 times of our projections, which ate up tens of thousands of valuable resources. Now, for those of you that don't know me or don't know Valor Aquaponics, we are a very small business. We are funded mainly out of a small business loan that we received from WIBIC. We're talking about $50,000 loan, $10,000 veterans grant that I received for being a veteran. And then we did receive a little bit of government assistance during COVID, but not a lot. Not a lot compared to other people that I know that don't have the overhead that I do, but we're somehow able to get more money. So I don't know how that all works. All I know is that we are in a pretty financial dire straits here. I've been working with MEDC to try to get a loan, but we're now going on 4 months, and I just received the closing checklist, and the amount of work, the paperwork that I have to do on top of my other responsibilities, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this paperwork and have the loan closed in time, because right now I'm stressed. I've destroyed my personal finances. I'm burnt out. I actually had heat exhaustion a couple weeks ago at the farmers market. I'm still not fully recovered, but I still continue to do 2 farmers markets, one on Saturday, one on Sunday, which Saturdays are my day off. Sunday I actually still have to go into work, so that ends up being about a 20-hour day for me. Just trying to do the best I can. And why am I talking to you guys about this? It's because, if you guys can help in any way, I greatly appreciate it. We do have, so if I am still looking for an investor, a major investor, or an investment firm, or maybe a couple of major investors. I'm trying to raise $75,000, and what that helps is allows me to quit my job full time, and it gives us about 10 months worth of working capital to for me to be able to increase our sales. So some of the improvements I've made since I made the last videos, I added. We were able to purchase and add basically triple the grow lights. So we have triple the grow lights. I have doubled our microgreen sales volume. I've also almost doubled our offerings for microgreens. So there's a lot that I've been doing, but it's the fact that there's only so much time in the day working a full-time job. So having a $75,000 investor or more allows me to focus 100% on this business, allows me to have my personal finances be my personal finances, and not stress out about how I'm going to pay bills out of my money. So I even sold my boat and used most of the profits from my boat to help pay for the business, and it's that's money that I wish I could have used on other things, on my personal life. So paying down my car or things like that. So I'll put the link in the description for our fundraising website, which is wefunder.com. It is meant for people that want to be in an accredited investor. Everything will be going through the UCC, and this will be all legit. I don't know all the information about the process. All I know is that it's 100%, it's about as you're not going to get anything more legal in terms of paperwork and filings and things like that than going through that. Otherwise, if there are some of you that want to maybe donate money or things like that, you can contact me by messaging me on our website, which is valoraquaponics.com, or you can message me directly through my email at fresh@valoraquaponics.com. So that's kind of where I'm at. It's a shorter video. It's not an exciting video. I'll try to make another video this week just to kind of show you guys the improvements that I've made, just to show you I have been working. I'm not just sitting here asking for money. But the very truth is, if something big doesn't happen in the next 4 to 6 weeks, I'm gonna have to shut my business down, and this is a lifelong dream for me. So it would be devastating for me. So I know I've seen the power of YouTube and the power of social media, and I know you guys can do great things. So if you guys can just help spread the word. If you can't give, you can't give, but at least spread the word, share the video, let people know, and I would greatly appreciate it. So that's all I have for you guys right now. I'll try to upload a new video, just to show you some updates later. But in the meantime, I hope you guys have a great day, and just remember to be the change that you wish to see in the world. See you guys next time.